Welcome to Split Croatia. Perfect. And I got a high. YouTube, what is poppin', y'all? I'm in Split. I'm in Split Croatia. So listen, I have a layover. I'm headed to London. I got an hour in Split, Croatia. Come with me as I show you guys Split. Let's get it. Street, I think it's called something Vita, and I took this left. Now we're in the Palace of Split. This is some gang. This is gangster. This is a nice little district. This right here is a cathedral behind me. These people look like they crucified Jesus. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like how they look. So that's pretty nice. So like I feel like I'm like that was like a in the cut breakfast spot. This is a hotel right here. This is fire. Look at this. Cardu Hotel. Up that little gate. Wow. All right. Let's circle. Now I'm just getting lost in a market in Split. This is so fire, bro. Alright. I think this. Oh, hey. Hello. I just saw a black woman. I was like, what? It's one of us? Yeah, I gotta go. I'm wildin'. Let's go get some food and then catch a boat back to the airport. Woo, we gonna end it out right there. I forgot to close out the vlog earlier. Split Croatia, quick 2 hours, little beautiful. You already know what you gotta do. Hit that like button, comment below. Subscribe to the channel. We out. God bless.